Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I came up with a new topic. As previously I have discussed in detail the HACCP, how we can assess in detail about the HACCP. It's all formats are available in my previous videos, and I'm going to use the same strategy with the VASP and TACCP. And today I'm just going to introduce you with the new topic, which is food fraud. And in this video I will only discuss what is difference between them, and after that in my coming videos I will discuss in detail about the VASP and TACCP, how we can assess them and what are the documents required for them. So let's start the topic. As you all know, HACCP is well known to all of you, but VASP and TACCP is somehow new. So I will discuss in more detail about the VASP and TACCP in the coming videos, and on HACCP I have already shared a lot of material with you. So just again, what is HACCP? HACCP is hazard analysis and critical control point, and VASP is vulnerability assessment and critical control point, and TACCP is threat assessment and critical control point. So what is difference between them? HACCP we implement in the industry to prevent unintentional or accidental contamination in the food, and it is based on science. Here based on science means if we are talking about that we need to save our food from the microbiological hazards, so we need scientific data on that. We cannot randomly go for that. And VASP is more on intentional adulteration. TACCP is also intentional adulteration, but what is different between VASP and TACCP is that while on other hand VASP means intentional adulteration of something into the product to earn more money. Here he do not want to harm anyone, rather he is more interested to increase the volume of the product, and in return he will get more money by selling it. And the third one is TACCP. So TACCP is also linked with the intentional adulteration, but in that case someone is intentionally adding something into the product to maybe get revenge from someone, or maybe to abuse the reputation of the company. I will share more details in the next slide, so you may have more clarification on these two topics, that what is the difference between them. So let's discuss the examples of VASP, TACCP and HACCP. So what is VASP? When someone add water in the milk to increase the volume, so he can earn more money by selling more milk. So the TACCP example is that if any worker in the company add poison in the product, or maybe let's take the example of milk tank, to abuse the reputation of company. So why he's doing that? He is working in the company and asking for to increase the pay, but no one is listening to him, so he just want to take the revenge. Or maybe his line manager scold him and now he want to damage the reputation of his boss. So such sort of things involved at HACCP. And for the HACCP is more relevant to the food safety. So what is the example of HACCP? If temperature, let's take the example of a chilled product. So if the temperature of the product was not maintained due to technical issue, so this reason is not intentional factor, rather it's more involved to the accidental issue. So in that case there are risk of food safety. I made this a small video just to kickstart a new topic. So this is all. So if you like my video, so please like and subscribe my channel and keep watching. Thank you so much.